Joy from Joy Quilts. Today we're going to do something that's just fun. It looks like spring. So this design is called Ginger Snap. It's one we purchased several years ago. I thought it would just look nice. It kind of looks like wind and kind of suits the frog pond theme. This little panel is called Welcome to My Pad. And with all the -20 Celsius weather we've had recently, I think it's time to do something for spring. So I'm using Orifil variegated thread. It's a 60 weight with a 90 SUK needle. Nice swirly design. You could probably make it go a little faster. What I did was 3 pattern repeats and then 6 rows down. Separated the design, joined it, and flipped every second row upside down and backwards so it fits better, and that balances the quilting from left to right. I can even speed it up a little bit. It's a nice circular design. The design is kind of complicated and a little bit more jerky. We try to keep it at 50%, which is the default on the machine. But this one is so smooth and circular, I think we can go to about 75. Speeding it up a little bit. It's just doing the frog right now. This pattern is actually about 8 or 9 inches in height. Started out at 15, but my machine only takes about 13. So in order to get it to fit, I had to add an extra pattern repeat and shrink it down. Normally this can be done in 3 passes if you have a giant machine, but I have a Q24, so it just doesn't do anything bigger than about 14 inches. So we're just going to do one complete pass, which is something I don't usually do. It takes too long, but this is a nice quick quilt. Hopefully this little frog will bring some spring weather with it. That's it. Joy from Joy Quilts. Have a great day.